Hello, my name is Lilian. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do. Okay, no, I'm not going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be doing Bantu knots on my hair. Not Bantu knots out. Bantu knot meaning I'm going to be doing Bantu knots that I'm going to wear as a hairstyle. So if you want to see my results, keep watching. Now, I did not say that I'm going to be showing you guys because I don't know how this is going to turn out. But I have a picture of what I want in my hair. I just hope it comes out the way I picture it. So keep watching, but first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. Starting on freshly washed hair, this is a continuation of my previous video, that's my egg treatment video. So if you not watch that, I'll leave it in the card for you to go and watch. So my hair is freshly washed with no product in it, so it's completely squeaky clean. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some Jamaican black castor oil. Focus, yeah, Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp. Then I'll go ahead and apply some unwhipped shea butter, just a little bit on my hair. I have here my spray bottle, my shea butter, and my rattle comb. I'm supposed to be using the metal one, but I cannot find it. I think my sister took it. So I can't find it. I'm going to be using this plastic one. Now for Bantu knots, if you want to wear Bantu knot as a style, it's very important for you to have very neat parts. So I'm going to try as much as I can. I don't know if that's going to be possible, but I'm going to try as much as I can to make sure my parts are neat. So I'm done making the first part. I cannot see the back, so I don't know what I've done. I don't know if I did a good job or I did wobbly parts. I do not know until when I start editing before I know what I did. But so I'm just going to put the rest of my hair up to get it out of the way. So now after making like the first like layer, I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm trying to think. This is how I do my style my hair most of the time. Like most times when I start, I do not like have every detail in my hair. I just like have like the finish look. Sometimes when I style my hair, to be honest, I do not know. I don't even have the finish look. I just stand in front of the mirror and just do something, and 90% of the time it comes out good. So now I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to plan the part so that everything ends up looking triangular. So I think I'm going to be doing 3 layers at the back. So I'm just going to part diagonally. So like I said, I cannot see the back, so I do not know what I've done, but let's just hope and pray that I did a good job. So I'm just going to use like a small hair tie to just hold the 2 sections that I'm not working with now, so that it doesn't interfere with what I'm doing. The fact that my hair is soaking wet is actually making it very easy for me to part my hair. Like if my hair was dry, it would have been a lot more difficult. And that's why I decided to do it on soaking wet hair. Now, the last time I tried to do Bantu knot, it was horrible. Like my result was rubbish. I used gel and I put too much gel in my hair, and it was not. It just ended up like messy and ugly. I had to wash my hair off immediately. So this time around, I'm not going to be using gel. And I'll not be using so much product. I'll just try to be light-handed. So that is really hot. So I'm going to just go ahead and detangle my hair and apply a little bit of shea butter. Just a little. I've almost run out of shea butter, so I don't even have a choice. I cannot put too much product in my hair because I don't have that much. So I'm just going to apply some shea butter. Like, I'm concentrating more product on the ends because number one, it's the oldest, that's the first part to get dry, and also it will help the Bantu not stay. Like, putting sticky product like shea butter on the ends will help the Bantu not stay, so that you do not have to use a bobby pin to hold it in. I just start to turn here, but as I go, I'm trying to like elongate the hair. Turn, pull, turn, pull, turn. So I pull to like the point where I want the knots to start. Then I start to knot the hair. This is quite self-explanatory, so I don't. You guys just watch and see what I'm doing. Then I apply some more shea butter on the ends. This time I'm going to be heavy-handed so that to stay and then turn until I have no hair left. So this is what it looks like. I can feel that they are not even, but well, I cannot see the back, so the next layer I'm going to part it this way, so it's going to come like this. So this is what I'm talking about. Let me just tell you guys, if you can, this plastic rattle comb is just a waste of time. You can get the metal one, the one I used in my last video. So that, yeah, the one I used for my low bond video. If you can get that, that's a lot better and a lot easier to use. But what can I do? You just have to manage this one like that. So now I'm going to be parting slanting. I'm doing all my hair. I'm going to go and lay my edges with the ORS edge control. No, I'm not doing like anything major. I'm just like making my skin hair this a little bit more obvious. So I just went ahead to see the previous clips, that's the back of my hair, and I realized that I did a terrible job of parting my hair. I don't know if it's because maybe because my hair is thick, so the parts are like not showing properly, or it's the rattle comb, or I'm just very bad at parting my hair, but it doesn't look good at all. But I'm going to give myself some credit for effort. Next time I try it, I'm going to maybe find someone to help me part my hair and see if it look better, but hopefully my edges look cute, so that will just make this not be a total fail. Yeah, my edges look okay, not perfect, but like it's okay. I'm going to wear this out because that's what I plan to do. I'm going to wear it out. It not turned out the way I expected, but it's not that bad. So it's 2 days later, and I think I've had enough of these Bantu knots, so it's time to take them out. To unravel, I'll go ahead and oil my hands with olive oil, just a little bit, just a few drops. I just like take the knot and turn it in the opposite direction until I'm done unraveling. I have a feeling that this is going to be so cute. This is what my hair looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and pull. Like, I'm really surprised with how shiny and moisturized my hair looks, even though I did not put too much product when I was making the knot. Now I'm just going to go ahead and separate, just where it naturally cuts. So after separating, this is what my hair looks like. It's pretty defined, but I do not like the shape. I cannot go out like this. So I'm going to go ahead and just try to pick it a little bit to give it more volume and like the better shape. So I'm done fluffing my hair, and this is what it looks like. I like the shape now, like it has a better shape, and I have a cute little band. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.